Welcome back to the Self-Mastery Academy. Today, we're going to talk about the power of language and how it can dramatically improve the quality of your life. Make sure to watch until the end and let's explore how the language we use can program our brains, and understanding it can give us a great degree of mastery over our lives and our destinies. Did you know that even the smallest of words can have a profound effect on our subconscious mind? It's like a child that doesn't really understand the difference between what really happens and what you imagine. It's eager to please and willing to carry out any commands that you give it. Whether you do this knowingly or not is entirely up to you. Let's take the word try, for example. It's a small word, yet it has an amazing impact upon us. If someone says, "I'll try to do that," you know that they are not going to be putting their whole heart into it, and may not even do it at all. How often do you use the word try when talking about the things that matter to you? Do you say, "I'll try to be more confident," or "I'll try to do that," or "I'll try to call"? Consider a goal you wish to accomplish, then express it in two ways. First, say, "I'll try to," and observe your feelings. Next, declare, "I will do," and assess your emotions. The latter likely instilled greater confidence, right? It fosters determination and a belief in its achievement. Listen to the people around you, and when they say they will try, notice if it gets done or not. Eliminate the word try from your dictionary and see how your life improves. Another small word that has a big impact is can't. It disempowers us, makes us feel weak and helpless, and damages our self-esteem. It limits our infinite abilities and stifles creativity. Rub it out from your internal dictionary and replace it with something that makes you feel great. Instead of saying you can't, why not say something like, "I choose," or "I choose not to." Using words like this allows you to take back your power and to be in control of your life. Words may appear small and insignificant, yet they can have a deep and lasting effect on us. Mastering your language gives you the power to live whatever life you desire. So, what words do you use a lot that disempower you? Make a list of words you commonly use and then write next to them some alternatives you can use. These alternative words make you feel fabulous, not only about yourself, but about life and what you are doing. Remember, the language you use programs your brain, so choose your words carefully and deliberately. It's time to take control of your life and use language to your advantage. Thanks for watching, and please like this video and share it with someone who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one. Have a great day and see you in the next video.